Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment EXP19 Excel Chapter 2 Cap Appliances. In its project description, you are an account manager of a WC Hicks Appliances, a long appliances store that also provide financing, delivery and installation. As a part of your daily tasks, you will create an Excel workbook that reports sales, payment, plan information and summary statistics. That's our project description. Now we will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel. Download and open file name exp19 Excel Chapter 02 Cap Appliances. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened this file. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Canvas course, Pearson course, or Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. Now we will move to our second step. Our second step is insert a function in the cell B2 to display the current date and format as a long date. So we will go to the cell B2. In the cell B2, I have already put it the today date. I will do it again. We will put is equal to today, start bracket and then end bracket and press enter. And if it shows the small, then you will put control plus 1. You will go to the date format and here it's long date format written. You can change it to any format from here if you need any other format of say date, so that's okay. That's our first step. Second step, our third step is auto fit the width of column B. So select column B like that and double click on this one, so that's width is now auto fit. That's our third step. Our fourth step is insert a function in the cell C5 to display item name based on the provided inventory lookup information. So we will go to the cell C5. In the cell C5, you need to just put a VLOOKUP function to get the inventory updates. I will put a VLOOKUP again in this file. V is equal to VLOOKUP, start our bracket, and we will select the B5. That is our required cell. In this, he will see SQ number, then he will find the inventory description. So we will press comma. Now we need to select our table array. That's our table array. That's our table array. We will make it this table array as a absolute reference by making this one, pressing F4. That's our table array. And cool index, we need a second column index in this column, so we will press 2. And what is, we need exact match. He will tell in the exact match. So we will now close our bracket and press enter. So we have got the result like that. You see the refrigerator, and we will when we will copy this downside, this will be same. So that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is auto fit the width of column C. So we will go here and we will just click. We will select this and just double click this one to auto fit the width of the column. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is insert a function in the cell E5 to display item price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Copy the function to the, so we will go to the cell E5. That is our cell E5. Here we will also put VLOOKUP function. We will put is equal to VLOOKUP, start our bracket. What we need to see here, this one we need to see, or you will do another thing. You will select the this one also, and then you want to select the table. This is our table. That's our table. You will make this one absolute reference by pressing F4. Then you need to select the column index. We need to use the column price column index, that is the second column, and we need the exact match, and we will close our brackets and press enter. So you see we have got our results. For refrigerator it's 13.9900. We will copy this downside, so our formula will be same. We have got our results. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is apply currency number format with the two decimal places to the column E. So we will select this column and we will go to the currency number with the two decimal places and press OK. So we have got currency number with the two decimal places. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is insert an if function in the cell F5 to calculate the total due. If the customer has chosen home delivery, there is additional delivery charge located in the cell B25. Be sure to use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. So we will go to the cell, which one cell? F5. That is our cell F5. We need to use the if function. I will use it again. So you will see what is the result is equal to if. We'll start our bracket. If d5 is equal to yes, then the price will be e5 plus delivery fee. It's b25 $75. If it's no, then it will be only e5. So we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our results. We will drag this one downside to get the result for other column. Also, that's our eighth step. Our ninth step is copy the function from cell F5 down to F13 to complete formula for column F and apply currency number format with the two decimal places. So we will apply currency number format with the two decimal places. That's our results. That's our 9 steps. We have total 19 steps of this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, or you will just scan the barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.